Hi Abdi, this is your news. So I've got some half exciting news about Doric and AI. It's got nothing to do with your news. It's all to do with Corty and fit their dean with NHS Grumpian in Inverurie. So nurses are helping learn AI foot to understand Doric. Going on to my website, here I read the whole article about it. Say the BBC done an article about it first. Somebody posted that on the Scots Language Forum, and that's who I heard about the story. I was awfully surprised, kind of Abdi's reaction to it. So that's what got me going onto Corty's website. Hey, look at their press release that they put out themselves, and just made about company Corty and what they've done in Europe. And Kenneth, their software can deal with all the variations of Danish, and can detect cardiac arrests with more accuracy than humans across kind of all types of Danish that they have. But Swiss German is can abdicates that can fi valley to valley in Switzerland. The German can changes, and the fun that this AI can deal with that no bother and help with putting down medical notes in Heath German, and that's basically fit with here in Scotland of now. Abdi speaks, well, no Abdi speaks Scots, but in the northeast, again, a lot of us speak Doric. And if you get to the hospital, the nurses speak Doric and that's what Abdi's speaking. So if we're needing is some transcription software that can put kind of your conversation that you have with the patient into notes in English, and that'll save the time the nurse and he spend time after speaking to the patient and putting all the notes down in English. So it saves time for Abdi. But fit we aftergreed is Kenneth the notes were in Doric. But that would be a start. But for now, again, it's just helping D it does for Germany with having their diglossia gone. Maybe that I don't think that's what we want in Scotland, but well, maybe that is what we want. We can have gone with just English being the only foremost thing. Oh, my dog's gone feel again, so I'll end it there. It's getting long enough. Getting onto the website if you want to read anything.